Welcome to the Glades at Robina, where this ground floor apartment is the perfect option for golfers, downsizers or professionals who are all desiring to secure an asset in the sought-after Glades golf course community. Welcome home. Positioned in the heart of Robina, this is one of the Gold Coast's most connected and highly sought-after lifestyle locations. Easy access to the M1, Robina Town Centre and the train station. Everything you need is right here at your doorstep. You're also close to Bond University, Robina Hospital, world-class shopping, dining and entertainment, all while being surrounded by the peaceful greenery and lifestyle of the Glades golf course community.
This freshly painted apartment has an executive feel. You have polished hardwood timber floors, high ceilings, an abundance of natural light, and a gorgeous outdoor entertaining area. What distinguishes this apartment from its counterparts are the two car spaces. One is an open bay and the other is a lock-up garage. This is a perfect space for your golf clubs, your golf buggy, and it comes with a power source.
Standing here, you can really appreciate the peaceful golf course views and the northern orientation. And you're just a few steps away from the Clubhouse Cafe.